Here we have a 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. It also does vertical cuts, 1 horsepower, 115 volt. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. I'm going to hit that switch right there. Adjustable hydraulic down feed. Adjust that. Down. And as the head comes down, this lever hits the switch. Shut the unit off. We tested the coolant pump. Here's your coolant pump switch. Also comes with a pulley shroud, 4 casters, 2 axles, instruction manual and parts manual. It is just slightly used. Has very minimal signs of use except for some metal shavings. Mostly down in there. Try to wipe them all off there. A little bit of oil leaking. I believe maybe from the gearbox, I'm not quite sure.